Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, in this video we'll discuss question number 33, NEET Physics paper 2016. Hello students, let us discuss question number 33. The angle of incidence for a ray of light at a refracting surface of a prism is 45 degree. So this is a prism and the angle of incidence is the normal, this is the normal, this is the angle of incidence. This angle of incidence is 45 degree. The angle of prism is 60, so this is 60. A, B and C say this A is 60. If the ray suffers minimum deviation through prism, the angle of minimum deviation, the refractive index of the material of the prism respectively are. So suppose that it goes minimum deviation, and this will be our delta m. This is delta and that becomes minimum under condition that I and E must be same, where I is the angle of incidence and E is the angle of emergence. Here I can write this normal and this ray, this is R1, and this ray and this normal, this is R2. We know that in case of prism, the angle deviation is minimum when the ray inside the prism is parallel to the base. Is parallel to the base, and the condition is that I plus we have the relation between the prism formula is that I plus E is R1 plus R2. This R1 plus R2 is A, and I plus E is actually A plus delta M. So I plus E is A plus delta M, now R1 plus R2 is A. This is the general relation of the angular prism. This delta M, when this delta becomes minimum, that means I write delta M, that means delta is minimum when I is equal to E. These and these are equal. These two are same. So we will use this relation that I plus E is A plus delta and R1 plus R2 equals to A. Now the delta is delta M when I equals to E and R1 equals to R2. If I use that, then this will become 2I from here, because I and E are same for minimum deviation. A plus this is A plus delta M, and both are same, so I will write R equals to 2R, R plus R, 2R equals to A. So from here I equals to A plus delta M by 2, and from here R is equal to A by 2. So mu, the refractive index, so mean deviation and the angle of minimum deviation and the refractive index of the material of the prism are respectively. So that is delta M, and refractive index of the material, that is mu. So your aim is to find delta M and mu respectively. You have to find here. Mu equals to sine of A plus delta M over 2 divided by sine I over sine R. R is A by 2. Now A is 60 and delta M we have to find, and delta M can be found using this relation. This relation that 2I is A plus delta M. So we have 2I is A plus delta M. 2I is 2 into 45 equals to 60 plus delta M. from here delta m is 90 minus 60, which is 30 degree. So delta m is the 30 degrees. So now mu equals to sine of a plus delta m. A is 60 plus delta m is 30 by 2 divided by sine of a by 2. A is 60 divided by 2. So delta m we got 30 degree. If I see the option, then 30 degree means these two out of 1 and 3. These are not possible. So either 1 or 3 is the answer. So from here I have to check which one is the answer. Now this mu can be obtained from here. Sine, this is 90 by 2, sine 45 divided by sine 30. Sine 45 is 1 over root 2 and sine 30 is half, so 1 by 2. 2 is off. So 2 is there, so it is root 2, because root 2 into 2, this will cancel and give you root 2. So this is 30 and this comes out to be root 2. So if I see the options, then option number 3 is correct. Delta m is 30 and mu equals to root 2. Okay, thank you.